Southern California is no stranger to drought. Located in a naturally arid climate, Orange County routinely sees dry spells. With water from Northern California becoming scarce, the Orange County Water District desired to develop a new, local, reliable water supply.
Our mission is to protect and manage the groundwater basin, which provides 82% of the water in our service area. In the 1990s, we recognized that there was going to be less imported water because environmental laws had favored the delta smelt fish and that there would be less water available for food and people from a statewide perspective. With that in mind, and that we only receive 13 to 14 inches of rain every year, we needed to be self-reliant and independent from imported water, but we also needed to replace that imported water that we would not be receiving.
A collaboration between the Orange County Water District and the Orange County Sanitation District, the Groundwater Replenishment System, or GWRS, is the world's largest advanced water purification system for indirect potable reuse.
At Orange County Sanitation District, we're the regional wastewater treatment agency for central and northern Orange County in California. We have a population of about 2.6 million people. That 2.6 million people generate about 180 million gallons of wastewater every day that we collect and treat here in our facilities in Fountain Valley and Huntington Beach. That wastewater generates power through the biogas that we collect during the treatment process, generates a fertilizer product, which is known as biosolids, and clean water for recycling that's used by our partners, the Orange County Water District. The partnership makes sense for a lot of reasons. We're both trying to serve the same population of people and make sure that they have clean water to swim in and clean water to use for their daily needs. We have what we call advanced source control or advanced pretreatment. And what that means is that industries that discharge to the sewers here have higher standards to meet to make it okay for them to even put the wastewater into our pipelines. So once the wastewater has been treated by OCSAN and crosses over into the groundwater replenishment system, there's a three-step treatment process. The first is microfiltration. It then goes to another membrane process, reverse osmosis, whereby you're actually separating the water molecules from the incoming wastewater. That water is very, very pure. In fact, it's so pure that we have to add minerals back into it. We add hydrogen peroxide and expose the water to UV light to provide advanced oxidation to remove any other molecules that might exist in the water and to make sure it's completely disinfected. So the water that's undergone this advanced treatment is monitored continuously to make sure that the quality is better than that required by all federal and state requirements.
As California continues to endure drought, the GWRS shines as a global model for water and recycling and reuse, producing up to 130 million gallons a day of purified water for 1 million residents of Orange County. This is a great example of public agencies collaborating to solve local challenges and implement a solution to better serve its residents.
That now serves over 1 million people and is the largest water purification plant of its kind in the world. While this is absolutely an engineering project, it's also a public perception project. And the board of the Water District and the Sanitation District, we came together and we worked to educate throughout the county on the benefits of this project. And that is what eliminated a lot or any of the public opposition.
I think the most satisfying part of my career is knowing that I'm part of a project that provides a sustainable water supply at an economical price. And knowing that this is an example for the rest of the world that shows what can be done as far as recycling being an important part of your water supply.
GWRS has made fantastic impacts here in Orange County. We have a reliable source of water. We have saved the ratepayers hundreds of millions of dollars from having this less expensive water. We have been able to demonstrate to other jurisdictions and to the world that this is a system that they should try to emulate. The bottom line is that every one of us, wherever we're from, needs to look at our water system. How can you make it better? How can you make it more cost efficient?
In addition to increasing supply and reliability, water recycling has many benefits and can be implemented around the world as a solution to supply challenges. Learn more today about Orange County's groundwater replenishment system. It tastes like water because it is water. For more project information, go to ocwd.com/GWRS.